Hi everyone, as I promised, I was going to show you some instructions for how to register for the MyMathLab homework. First, you'll need to be inside Canvas under your Math 108 Section 701 course. You'll see a bunch of tabs here on the far left. Look for the one that says Modules. You're going to click on Inclusive Access RedShelf eBooks. Then you're going to see under Math 108, 701, Spring 20, a button that says View Course Materials. You can click on that. If you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see an option that says Acquire Code in green. Click on that. Copy and paste that code. Then go down to the far bottom left MyLab and Mastering tab. That code I just had you copy, you're going to need to paste that into a spot here in just a moment. But first you need to click on the Open MyLab and Mastering tab. You may need to create an account if you have not used MyMathLab before. So just create a username, password, and they'll ask for some general information like your name and email. But you may have to accept some terms and conditions too. But they'll ask you for that code that I just had you copy. You'll paste it, click OK, and then it's going to register you for the software, and it'll take you into MyMathLab. Please let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you guys soon.